So, Vande Mataram children, continuing in Science Biology chapter 2, that is digestion in animals. Yesterday we have understood about digestion in humans. Today we are going to continue with digestion in grass eating animals. So let's have a look. So children, here you can see they are herbivores. Okay, they mainly get their food from the plants. So let's see how do they digest their food. Okay, here you can see cow mainly through mouth. Okay, they eat in a very hurriedly and they do not chew it properly, so it swallow. Yes, here the stomach of these ruminants, why they are called ruminants, that also I'll tell you. Their stomach is divided into 4 chambers, or we can say 4 compartments. Number 1 is rumen, number 2 is reticulum, number 3 is omasum, and number 4 is abomasum. So food they chew with the mouth, in mouth with the help of their flat and broad teeth. They don't have canine, children, because they don't need to tear it. Okay, and food from the mouth, it goes through esophagus to the first compartment. Here you can see to the rumen. Okay, let's see what happens there. So in rumen the food is stored temporarily, and mainly the carbohydrate, that is cellulose, is broken down, okay, with the help of this bacteria, and it is converted into simpler form, that is volatile fatty acids, which is also called as a process as a fermentation. But this is all in much detail for you to understand. But you have to understand that यहाँ पे partly digested food है. So that partly digested food is called curd. Okay, so that curd, here you can see the belly green colored line is the first line that food enters through mouth, through esophagus, and it goes to the rumen, and there it is stored in the rumen. And here you can see blue colored line, the partly digested food, that is the curd, is going again to the second chamber. That second chamber is reticulum. Okay, so from reticulum it is go to the ear, and this process is called rumination. The curd is converted into fine pieces and it mixes with the saliva well. Okay, then it will pass to the reticulum. Yes, so from your mouth again the food goes to the, here you can see the red line, it goes to the third chamber, that is omasum. Here water is absorbed, and then it goes to the abomasum, which is the true stomach, where gastric juices is released. Okay, and here it goes to the small intestine. From small intestine it goes to the large intestine. Fine, and here you can see, but we don't have to discuss in much detail here right now. Your small intestine is connected to the large intestine through this bag-like structure. It's called cecum, where storage takes place of cellulose and cellulose digestion takes place. And here from this it will go to the waste is released out. Fine. So I hope children, I hope that you have understood here. Okay, so the stomach of ruminant is having mainly 4 chambers, that is in sequence you have to remember: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Out of this, abomasum is the true stomach because it releases the gastric juice, and here mainly the digestion gets complete, and in intestine the absorption of water takes place and then the waste is released out. Okay children, so children, your today's homework is to write C part 24th question in your notebook, and 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th is homework that you have to do in your worksheet itself. Thank you.